Hello. Today's problem that we're solving is what to wear to a summer party. I don't know if you've ever looked at your cupboard and thought, gosh, I don't have anything to wear. Now, whenever I'm designing these color combinations, I'm doing it with men in mind, but that's not to say that they don't also apply to women. I always have in the back of my mind what it would look like with a pant, a jacket, a tie, a pocket square, something like that. So rather than a dress or a skirt. So that is the frame that I have when I am putting these color combinations together. So this particular one is what will he wear to a summer party this evening? And I am going to assume that he has a sand pair of pants in his cupboard. What does he put with that? Just grab it here actually. Now this particular color comes from the summer color type. If you don't know what your color type is, then I highly recommend you go and do the fabric formula so you can get the answer to that question, and I will send you a report on how you can wear your colors. And also you get a little sheet of all these little colored tabs so you can play with this particular template and put a cohesive collection together. So today's problem that we're solving is what is he going to wear to a summer party, maybe around the pool or at the beach. What he definitely has in his wardrobe is a pair of pants that are this sandy color. I am going to place that on my neutral box. I think it makes for a nice neutral in this color combination. The next color I've chosen is this bold brown, and that could be a belt or shoes. It could be accessories, or it could be a garment color. But I think that's a nice bold that goes nicely with this. Now, because that's quite a dark color, not far off black, the complementary to that I'm putting there is the white. Now, to add a little bit of interest to what is currently quite a bland palette, I'm going to bring in a light pink. And I'm putting a pink in here because it's for a party. And I think that just adds a little bit of vibrancy to the combination. And it goes beautifully with that brown. And the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to add a dark, and I'm going to put a blue in here. So you might have a shirt that has, a number of these colors in it, whether it's a stripe or a floral or a check, and then you can wear this colored pant with it. But I'm just going to show you if you wanted to pack with these colors or have all of these colors in your wardrobe, because you know that they all go together and you can pick on something at any one time. You don't have to worry what you're going to wear to the party because you know that everything is going to go together. I'm just going to pull out a couple of these colors and show you how you could put them together as a combo. So maybe we have those three. Those three go nicely together. Assuming you've got that as your pant. Maybe you've got a blue sort of a chambray shirt and a white t-shirt underneath it, or white sand shoes, white socks, white slides. It doesn't necessarily have to be the garment. Another combination could be looks beautiful together. So you can see how you can start playing with this combination to make some beautifully easy to wear outfits. And I think you would, particularly if summer is your color type, look good at any party.